This is Llandrillo Technical College. For years, the cry has been going up in North Wales for more light manufacturing industries. But there was one factor which, perhaps more than any other, made industrialists reluctant to set up in the area, and that was the comparative lack of technical education. Now, that drawback is being rapidly removed, and this college is the latest development. The principal, Mr. W.J. Griffiths, spoke to me about it.
Well, Mr. Roberts, this new college has been erected to serve the needs for technical education in this part of North Wales. It's particularly well equipped, and we now have 6 departments in the college, and this session we have over 370 full-time students, over 600 part-time day students. We have about 80 block release students who attend for 3 months of the year, and we have well over 1,000 part-time evening students. We have a hairdressing department in the college which provides training for all the North Wales counties. There are full-time courses of 2 years. We have 36 entry each year for those full-time courses. Also, we have part-time day courses for apprentices in this area. And all the students here sit the examinations of the city and guilds, and after their 2 years here, enter the trade as improvers. We provide a national diploma course in hotel keeping and catering, which provides a training for those who wish to become managers of large hotels. We also provide courses in preparation for those who wish to take supervisory posts. Those are Hotel and Catering Institute courses. And we also have craft courses of 2 years duration which prepare young people for important posts as chefs.
Of course, there's a practical side to this training.
Yes, Mr. Roberts, we have a fully equipped training restaurant where students are taught and instructed by expert people how to set a table, how to serve food and drink, and students after 2 years training sit the waiting examination of the Hotel and Catering Institute. We have a fully equipped flat in the college, Mr. Roberts, and in this flat, students are trained in the art of homekeeping, looking after a lounge space, a bedroom area, a dining room area. We have a laundry, and also a kitchen area where they can be trained in the use of the equipment in a modern home. We have a science laboratory in the college which serves the needs of the hairdressing and catering departments. Students investigate the effect of chemicals on various types of hair, and in other experiments they are concerned with the effect of chemicals on various foods in the catering industry. We hope in this way to provide students with a sound basic education which will fit them for the modern techniques in this world today.